Hi Kings and Queens, I'm here at Walmart to look at some of their Christmas decor for the kitchen and for the home. Kitchen accessory set is $5.46. So it includes one kitchen towel, one pot holder, and two mini mitts. Yeah, these are really nice for $5.46. They have this one, and this one. They have the fabric tablecloths for $5.46. It is 70 inches round. Yes, so they have that one, the cream, and this one. Okay, these mugs, they're these are candle mugs. They're $5.98. It's the most wonderful time of the year. And this one is the measuring cups and spoon set. How cute. Oh my goodness. This is a 2-pack mini pie plates for $5.98. Another 2-pack here. A 2-pack mini loaf pan for $5.98. These cookie jars are $9.98. We have Santa, the snowman, and the gingerbread man. How cute, right? 19-ounce stemless wine glasses for $3.98. Really nice. 2-ounce ornament shot glass, $1.98. This is the Santa and Reindeer Tree Set. It is $16.94. It's a plate, a bowl, and a milk bottle for $16.98. This gingerbread little platter here, it is $9.98. This little tray here, it is $9.98. It's a 3-piece set, or 4-piece total. This reindeer board, this board here is $9.98. 3-piece battered bowl set is $11.98. It has the bowl and the 2 spatulas. Bake and store set is $11.98. Really cute little set here. We have placemats, guys. They're $2.49. I see them in red and I see them in green. Ooh, this baking dish. Such a beautiful dish. It is $11.98. Decorative runner for the table. It is $9.96. They also have this one and this one. Fabric tablecloth, 60 by 84. This one is the rectangular for $9.96. And the round one is $9.96 as well. So these measuring spoons, they're $5.98. They have these. I've shown you this one right here. Okay. This little tray here is $6.98. Nice. The tree treat jar is $4.98. LED ceramic house, $4.98. Okay. The Santa treat jar is $4.98. Another beautiful tray for $6.98. Ooh, $6.98 on this one. These 26-ounce tumblers, they're $6.94. All of these beautiful candles over here, they are $6.97. So they have this one, and this one. Oh, this one is cute, this candle. Well, no, this is a wax warmer here, guys. It is $6.97? This cute little arrangement is $14.98. They have the LED ceramic trees for The larger ones are $9.97 and the smaller ones are $7.97. Now they do have these LED ceramic houses. I think we went over this one, the smaller one, but they also have the larger one for $9.97. This one is $6.98. It's $19.97 with the 3 candle holders. Oh, how cute is this? The little sleigh arrangement. It is $9.98. Yes, those beautiful lanterns, they're $17.48. A 24 by 36 layering rug, okay, for $9.98. This fragrance warmer here is $11. That one is $15.88. This one is $16.48. This is a fragrance oil diffuser. So cute, right? For $7.93. They also have this one, and they have a few more up there that I can't get to. Okay, and that one is $19.88. This beautiful velvet plush throw here, it is $14.96. And they have them in different patterns, which is really pretty. Our kid size shirts for $5.98. We have these cookies in this red Christmas tin for $9.97 for $14.84. Nice. Butter cookies for $4.46. Stir spoons, you get a pack of 4 for $7.44. How cute. Candy cane looking throw pillow, guys. It is $8.98.
This time last year, I was on my own. Just me and a plastic Christmas tree all alone. But this year will be different in so many ways. Now that I've found someone with whom to spend my days. Now I know what Christmas can be like.
All right, guys, that's it today here at Walmart. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel and share the content. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you all in the next one.